Hey guys, in part 2 of our procedural terrain generation, we're taking care of improving the height map calculation so that the hills look more realistic and the game feels much more immersive. For this, we create a function in which we use a Perlin Noise 1D. We make the newly created function a pure function so that we have no input or output execution pins, which makes the code look clearer. We change the code in the function because we do not want to add the two Perlin noises but multiply them. This causes the results to fluctuate even more and the mountains appear even more clearly. Now, we multiply the float inputs beforehand so that the mountains are much rounder and not as angular as before, which is why we use a very small number for this. Now we create a new function from the code so that we have different height differences for the mountains, and there are not only very high mountains. So if you want to have a more hilly map, you have to set the numbers higher. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. I am very happy if you liked the video and would be happy about a like and subscription. In the next part, we will fix the problem that when we use a normal material for our mesh, it is not really displayed correctly. See you then.